Okay, it's October 31st, about 10 o'clock in the morning. We're looking at around 50 degrees here at Brian's home. Reclaim doing a repairability assessment here. We can see we do have damage to all slopes of the roof, wind-related damage. We do have hail damage on the soft metals. We see that on the caps here, there. See some light hail hits on the shingles as well. But primarily looking at wind damage, we can see some head damage there. I'm missing some shingles. Older 3-tab shingle here. Set for do a repair attempt here. Want to make note: damaged shingles that are overlapped by the ridge cap are not able to be replaced without removing the ridge cap, because this shingle here is going to be held in place by fasteners that are underneath the ridge cap. So looking at a very involved repair that's going to damage all the ridge cap here, because that ridge cap is sealed down there, in order to assess a repair here. And then we have damaged shingles in the valley that are not able to be replaced. So these damaged shingles here and here are actually it's the California cut. They're underneath the adjacent slope there. So in order to replace those shingles, they're going to be fastened on the other side. That valley, which does have a valley liner in it, we can feel it. I can see it when I look under the shingle tabs in the end there. Valley would be damaged as well, which would extend over this ridge here. So we're looking at a few issues with even trying to attempt repairs further. We're going to test the pliability of the shingle with the repair attempt. All right, here we go too. Shingle right here. Oh, well, that one's broken. But in order to repair that one, leave that there and we'll grab it way out. See tabs on the roof here. We're starting to see fasteners. Damage here. Oh yeah, the shingle here on the end. We see the starter's exposed. So we risk damaging the starter, which helps provide the windproofing at the edge of the roof here. So that's another concern here, which is trying to attempt repairs on this roof. So let's go back up here. I'll test the pliability of these shingles here. So we've got a damaged shingle there. Shingle here, wind creased. So you pull up the tabs above it here. Alright, this is the first tab, that means you got 1, 2. So we're going this direction here. All the other fasteners are one more course up. come out. One more nail here. Make sure we'll hammer that one back in. There you go. Shingle's been removed. Let's remove shingle. Now identifying brand marks on it. We do see an underlayment. All right. Let's see if there's any. So now, try to put the shingle back in and see how that looks. So. Alright, so now we're going to put the shingle back in place. There. Secure this other course above it. Got those in. This is our original shingle here. We are seeing additional hinging there. Granular loss, same there as well. There as well. So, I'll chat through this. So, yes, you can slide another shingle in place. In this case, we just used the same shingle because I didn't know what size would fit here and didn't want to piecemeal this together. This is original shingle. What we're going to look at is how it affects the shingles around it that were not damaged previously. So we can see that by doing the repair attempt, we now have extra granular loss and hinging of these shingles, right? So that's going to reduce their service life and their weatherproofing ability. You see how that hinges now? All right. So that's not, they're not having the strength of the other tabs holding them in place because that seal there is broken. There we go. All right, so the granular loss there means that the matting is going to have increased UV exposure, which can even make that wear down even faster there. All right, so that is broken there because it's not picking up that tab beside it, right? So that's a damaged shingle. That damage will increase over time with the loss of the granules and UV exposure. So attempting repairs throughout this roof, including the ridge cap, the valleys, is going to leave this roof in worse than pre-loss condition. And yes, you could slide new shingles in place, but it's going to cause, it's going to reduce the service life of this roofing system. We will write up for a full replacement. So I don't see how you could attempt this many repairs in good faith that their roofing system is not going to have issues in the near future. Again, this is Chris with Canopy Home Exteriors, October 31st. We're now at about 10:14 in the morning. Thank you.